There's a girl. Her name is Diti Ann. Diti Ann has a long blonde hair and she is very beautiful. Diti Ann loves English so much, but her English speaking not very good. So Diti Ann decided to join an English club in order to improve her English speaking and listening. One day, she just on Google and she see HIEA English club. She is really happy and make up her mind to join an English club in next Sunday. On Sunday, the girl walking down in Evelyn Street to go to the park. It take her about 30 minutes to get to there. Their first Diti Ann have taken part in the English club, so she is very nervous. But anything seemed to be okay after our member play the game. The game is very funny and interesting. Today, Diti Ann is a new member, so she had to introduce myself to everybody. That makes Diti Ann so excited. She stands up and say, Diti Ann, hello everybody. Everybody yells, what's up? She keeps talking. I am very happy to be here today. Now, let me introduce something about myself. I'm Diti Ann. I'm 23 years old. I have graduated at Eton University. My major is accounting and audit. Now I am working at Halong Limited Company. I come from province Bình Định province. This is noisy and interesting. I love my hometown so much. Everybody is attracted by charming voice. She keeps talking. I grew up in a big family. There are 6 people, such as my mother, my father, 2 sisters, 1 brother, and I. I love my family so much. I like listen to music, traveling around the world, go shopping, and I like do anything I like. My favorite subject at university is marketing basic. A short-term object is to be an marketing executive. A long-term objective is become to successful business. That's all. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye.